Hi, good morning all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well last week ending up in green. I did pretty well. Let's see what we have today in our EMINI. For me right now the most important chart is the weekly chart as we are in the second week of the month and today is Monday. So like today in a bigger picture, like if you see whatever is happening, we have been discussing. Let me take you to the 4 hour first. Whatever we have been discussing, like it's a similar price action which has been happening. Like we had the trend lines here. Like we saw the poke through our target, which is 2032, and I said it's going to be short covering and we're gonna go for the next leg up. That's exactly what's happening right now. There is a target. Let me draw one more target here. I mean, if we close well above 2000, about 60, then we can see 63, but close well above 63 will take us to 2076. But will it make me or the chart bullish? No, it will not. Like this bull leg is something that right now the short guys are taking rest, and like bears can short their market, can buy their puts or buy a short position in the market at a better price. Why they buy here? And we are in the middle of the trading range as well. This is the bottom, this is the high of the range. We have this square from a long time. Let me do weekly very quick. I mean, right now bulls, weaker bulls, like right now uninformed bulls, or the bulls who are for a short position, like maybe a day or two, or they are trying to they are accumulating, as like they are very aggressive bulls and they're going to accumulate whatnot. They're always buying. There are two type of markets. There's a long side and a short side. The short sellers are always looking to short the market, and the long side is always looking to buy, go long in the market. They are buying, but as of now, like it's very very prominent. We are making a round top here. Like it's the bull case is getting weaker. What we can see here is we can see some kind of a buying again. As why the buying going to be there? Because the short guys, the bears, will not short here when they can short a little bit higher. This is a weekly candle. What we can see is we can go higher this 1 or 2 3 days, and at the end of a week we can see a sell off, or the next following week we can see a very bad sell-off. So as we have been always been discussing, like we're going to get some kind of this kind of a price action, bull bear leg in a week, and then finally we're gonna see some kind of a flush. So right now any bounce, I'm looking to short the market. You guys ask me so many things that SK, could you please tell us that what when you take a decision, like what you are thinking and what not. I mean, like honestly, I make my trend. Like right now the trend is from the 4 hour. If we go above 263, I'll not be looking to short the market as a day trader. As a day trader, I will be looking to go long, and I will take some scalps which will be short. So like overall you have to understand the trend of 4 hour chart. The first thing first, first thing, what is the trend from 4 hour? Are we in a breakout mode? Then we will get chop. Neither both, we will get a trading range. Are we in a trend? Then we will get, like, let's say we were in a trend here with a short trend with the target 2032, which I have been mentioning from here that we are going down. So right now what happened here is that once we are getting any bounce, I was shorting the bounce, taking a swing short position, so that we are going to see our target. And when it's going to be long, I was taking long scalps. But if you're taking long swings in this price action, you're going to get killed. Your money going to get killed. It's nobody can save that. So first thing, you need to understand what is the trend in the market from the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart right now, it's in the breakout mode. So what's going to happen? We're going to see a trading range start today. We're going to see bulls and bears both fighting, and we need to get a breakout above 2063 to go for next target. Right now, bears, I mean, this tail here is a very good example that we are going above. Bears were not selling this guy, and bulls bought at the bottom and they took it higher. We had a good breakout here as well. But this bull leg going to be a bull trap. Whoever going to hold it for the next all-time high is not coming. We are getting down, we are getting lower. So right now, any bounce coming here is a chance to short the market again. So trading range start, we might get higher. There is a higher probability we're going to test 2076 soon, and then we're going to see the flush. But before that, we need to take off 2060 and 2063. So if you're going long, if you're taking a long position is only after 2063. Until then, it's going to be choppy. It's going to be sideways. It's going to be indecision candles. It's going to be very confusing price action, which is a trading range price action. So better to hold your money if you're a swing trader. If you're a scalper, it's better to short the scalp here, because we're going to take few attempts to take this after 2063. It's a one way to 2076. Nothing going to stop. I don't know how many candles we're going to get, but eventually we're going to get 2076. So after 2063, I will only be looking for long swings and short scalps. I will not be looking for shorting the swing trades, unless and until we have not poked 2076. Let's see what we have in our oil. Again, second week, off the market, of the month. Let's go to the weekly. Okay. Honestly, I'm very, very bullish in oil, but we need to test this guy here. You know what's happening here. We were here. Nobody would have expected bears to close near the low, and then we took this support where most of the bulls had their stop. We took this support, and then we go for the next leg up. Right now, we can see a deeper pullback. There is a profit taking. It's a second week. Most of the time, if we say, let's take 100 days, 60 to 70 days, 60 to 70 times, second week of the month is a trading range month. It's something which is indecision. It's something which is we are not expecting, and that's what's going to happen. Because it's going to be a position making month for a monthly people, not taking or taking short or going long. It's averaging month. They average either high or they average low. So second week of the month is month where we often see setups failing. So it's better to take scalps in the second week than to go swing in a second week. Right now over here, any pullback for me is a chance to buy for next level 2000 for the next level 51 and the next level 61, 62. So I'm in a bigger picture, I'm going long. I'm long in this guy for 62 in coming months. There is nothing stopping this guy. We are going higher. We need to test this 51 before that we see we get a deeper pullback or not. But 51 is coming. That's like it's. It'll not be climatic. It'll be. For me, I cannot even believe that we will not going to test 51. I'm so much, I'm really expecting this to happen very soon, and I'm very much bullish in this. Very bullish in this. We are going higher. Pullback doesn't make us bearish. Pullback make us profit taking time, but not bearish. Going higher for sure. Right now, there is a chance we can see a pullback to the sideways. Second week is always a trading range week. It's always a very slow start. It's always a week where position is being made. You scale in. If you're short, you're scaling higher. If you're long, you're scaling lower. So it's that kind of a week, for a monthly, guys. Let's see what we have in our gold. In our gold, let me take you to the monthly chart. I mean, look at this black candle. Let's change this color and make it blue. As you all know, blue color is the most important color we guys have. I mean, this is a blue line, breakout from here. It's a very strong breakout. We are going for the next targets up for sure. No, nothing stopping whatsoever. Nothing stopping. Right now, we need to test this guy here, which is 1309. Then we are going for 1330, 1326, 48. 92. These are the short targets we have. Very bullish, very bullish. To become bearish in this, we need to take 1200. It's a big stop, but I am very, very bullish in this guy. It's a monthly breakout. Monthly breakout, that means it's about 13, 14, 15. 2 year breakout. Come on, guys. You need to understand these things. This is a very strong breakout. This trend line is from last 2 years. So they break out right now, and we are going higher. We need to test higher. Pullback doesn't matter. If you see, it's making inverse head and shoulders as well. It's going to form its other shoulder and then go for the next leg up. Definitely bullish monthly. Definitely bullish in a longer term. Definitely bullish that we are going higher. So as we are going higher here, I'm definitely expecting market to see any a good deeper pullback so that we can lock profit, shorting the market, going long in the gold. And gold is the guy right now, guys. Come on, focus on this. This is a monthly breakout. This is monthly breakouts happen very, very less. A beautiful trend line. This is a wedge as well. Accumulated here and exploded. Right now, the time pullback, second week. Profit will be taking second week. Positions will be made. It's okay. But as per my opinion, we are going to explode in this. We are going higher. This month can really take us higher. All this, you look bearish here. This all can fade, and we can close in a bull leg here. Very strong, looking very, very promising right now here. Let me take you for. Let's do our ES very quick. I'm an ES. How I would be trading today on this guy. Again, guys, if you see 4 hour, what's your focus? Let me talk to yourself. What are you thinking? Okay, what we are thinking right now here is that we are in a breakout mode. Unless or until we are not above 2063, it's not bullish. Is it bearish? This candle is telling us it's not bearish. So what we're going to get, unless or until we have not taken 2063, we're going to get chop. We're going to get sideways. From sideways to upside breakout. That is the higher probability. So unless or until there is no 2063, what will you be doing? You will be scalping for 1 to 2 points. After 2063, after seeing 1 or 2 points higher, you can put a stop 2060, which is this, and with 3 point stop you can take a position for making 10 to 15 points. It can take a day or 2 or 3, but this will be coming if we close well above 2063. So how are you going to prepare? Ask yourself that there's a chance bulls are going to buy every pullback here for this guy. As why bulls are buying? Because bears are not selling. But bull case will be only stronger case if we go above 2060 and 63. So until then, neither bulls are in power nor bears are in power. So what we get is a trading range. What we get is a scalping. What we get is the setups failing. So what you're going to do, your setup's going to fail unless or until there is no breakout. Because when there is no breakout, there is no breakout. Everything looks so promising and everything fails. So right now, we're going to focus on scalping. After we both take these positions, we go for the next leg up. How will I become bearish? They have to take this low. They have to trade below 2042, 48 and 2045. Then I'll expect them to take 2026. For me right now, let me just draw this here. For me right now, this is It's not going to show because we have the same color. Let me edit it. 9. Let's change the color to green. Uh-oh. I tell you guys, I'm not very good at that. So, okay. I believe, okay. Okay, but you guys get it, right? Like this guy here is a trading range price action right now where we will be losing a lot of money if we are not taking the right side of the trade. So how are we going to know the right side? Just scalp. It's a breakout mode, scalp, higher probability, going higher. But in a bigger picture, we are so bearish. Let me take you to the weekly chart again. In a bigger picture, we are so weak. If we if we fail here at 260 or 263, then we are going down, then it's going to be a flush. So be ready. Scalp mode unless until we don't have a breakout. For bullish, you need to see 2063 close above. For bearish, you need to see 2045 close below. So let's see. Until then, it's going to be a trading range. It's going to be chop, chop, chop. It's going to be not a good good setups to trade. So do not give away your money. There's a price target to trade. For close below 45, we will be looking at 32 and 26. Close above 63, we will be looking at 76. So then we'll take swings. Right now, we'll take scalps. Good luck, everybody. Have a good one. Let's make money. Let's stay focused. What our 4-hour chart is telling us, we need to understand that. And 4-hour chart, if it tells us trading range, don't go in the market and start taking swings. If it's telling swings, don't go against the swing. Go with the swing and make money. Good luck. Bye-bye.